Yo, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get all Sims 4 DLC packs completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to spend a lot of money on Sims 4 DLC packs anymore. Now, you can get all the packs for free. All you need is a working Steam key, and then you can get the game for free, just like I'm showing you on the screen right now. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. So guys, the method is very simple, but this method only works when you use a phone. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then search for your couponbox.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the website, search for Sims 4 DLC packs. Tap on it to open the page. Now let me explain this website real quick. From what I found out, this website gives out free game keys every day, but the number of keys is limited, so not everyone can get one. My friend showed me this yesterday, and that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys as soon as possible. So if you want to try it, hurry up and check if there's still a key available. Now, to get the key, just press show coupon code button. After that, the process will begin. The website will start checking for an available code. It may ask you to complete a few quick steps before showing the code. Just follow the instructions to complete the steps. Once you get the code, copy it and redeem it on Steam to get the game. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.